Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this one I'll be doing some Jamaican jerk pork in the oven. Hope you enjoy this one. Here are the spices that are used. Make sure you add a garlic. A little olive oil over the meat so that the seasoning can stick to the meat. You can use whatever jerk sauce of your choice, or you can also make your own. I like to line my baking tray because it makes cleaning up easier. You don't have to do it, but it's always an option. You can cover the meat for the first 20 minutes or so and then remove it so that it can finish bake. I am preparing some veggies right here to add to my meal. Here's the final look, served with some cucumber juice.